for the World Cup, and we've got accelerated performance. They brought out their Supra.
And we've got our 94 Supra. It's got a 98mm 3.2 liter motor. We've been running the same motor now for about 4 years. Car runs on methanol. Best we've gone is a 727, scratch over 200. This year we've switched the car up a little bit. It's a fuzz lighter. It's got a little bit more turbo on it than we previously ran. We previously ran a 94, so we stepped up to a 98.
It's a beautiful car. You guys do really good work.
Thank you.
How much boost are you pushing through that big turbo?
We run about 75, 80 pounds of boost if we really lean on it. But
how much power is that good for?
it made, I would say, somewhere right around 2,200, 2,300 at the crank. It made just a fuzz over 1,700 at the tire.
Oh my God. Thanks for bringing it out and telling us about it. Wish you the best of luck today.
Thank you very much.
You bet. Thank you.
Thanks.
Was that actually the first pass in 3 years?
Yeah, a little over 3.
No way.
We didn't blow anything up. Well done. 3 years, our first hit.
That's badass.
And it was so soft.
Yeah, I could tell. What'd you end up heading for boost on that one?
65 on the big end.
65.
It's like 30 on the.
Yeah, leaving on nothing. After seeing that, what are you thinking for this weekend? What's your hopes?
We'd love to run a 20.
Yeah.
I'd like to get back to where we were on gas. Yeah. Coming.